Hey y'all, Merry Christmas, and I hope you're doing well. We're all under the weather, but I thought it would be fun if what we would do would be to show y'all some quick little snacks that you can do for the holidays. Now, on my YouTube channel, I have lots of dishes for you to use Christmas Eve, appetizers, Christmas Day, but I thought it would also be fun to have these sweet little snacks. So I hope y'all are doing better than us. We have really been down, but anyway, I wanted to share these with you. Nico and I baked these cute little cookies this morning, and whenever I went to get the ice cream, I found peppermint stick ice cream is seasonal. So you see it like once a year at Christmas time. And so I thought, how fun would that be? So all you do is you bake your little elf cookies. They're already decorated, and then you put our little baby scoop of ice cream in it. And then if you want to make them a little bit more festive, you can put some pretty sugars on it. I actually ordered some Christmas decorations and they didn't come in. So sprinkles. But anyway, so here it is. Look, y'all, you know what this is what we're gonna have for Christmas Eve for our dessert, because it's one bite. And so it makes it so wonderful to have it, because it's not too much. So we did little snowmen, and you know, I was thinking about it this morning too. You could do snowmen for New Year's Eve or New Year's Day if it's just your family and you just want to do something fun. So here is the little snowman. Look how fun that is, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and make some more. We have a little bit of red, so let's use the red. The only other thing I had that was red was, of course, you have to be careful with the red dye now for sure, were some little hearts for Valentine's Day. So anyway, look how simple it is. Let me tell y'all right now, thank you for following me, subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's not too late to order some Dana Dash or my cookbook for a gift for Christmas. We've been down and out for a bit, hoping things will be better, and are so grateful for each of you. So we wish you many, many blessings this holiday season, and join us in remembering the reason for the season. So we have a little bit of green left. Let's do green. Look how sweet this is. This is honestly one of the best ideas I've seen. Just making these little cookies you can buy already just like this. You just bake them and then add some fun ice cream, and you have a wonderful little dessert. Nico's here helping me today, so he's in there playing with Thomas the Train right now. We made this mix. I don't know if I can see it right behind me on a little video this morning, and I'm telling y'all, it's delicious. So this is going to be really yummy too. So here we are, our little elf and snowman Christmas cookies, ice cream sandwiches.
Oh.
Bon appetit, y'all. Merry Christmas.
Wait.
Want to taste it?
Wait, are both sides cookies?
Mm-hmm. Look.
Or are they the same cookie?
Well, so it'll be a little festive little elf cookie or a little snowman cookie.
What does this taste like?
Well, taste it and see. Taste it just like you eat an ice cream. Yummy, huh? It's peppermint. Look at all the pretty colors in it.
Oh, I want to try that ice cream, Mamas.
Okay, let's see supper. So you want to tell everybody Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and bon appetit, y'all. Thank you.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. On that fun Christmas round and walking, hoking sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. On that fun Christmas round and walking, hoking sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. On that fun Christmas round and walking, hoking sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. On that fun Christmas round and walking, hoking sleigh. Hey,